Jeff with Tri-State Bobcat. This is the Avant Mini Digger, mounted on an Avant 420. This unit works from the 420 all the way up to the 760. If you got some small holes to dig, some trenches, this is the unit. It clamps right on the Avant detachment plate. 2 hydraulic hoses on the quick coupler. This one's running a 15-inch bucket. It'll run all the way from a 9.8 to a 40-inch bucket. You know, maybe you got some ditches you want to clean out. Maximum dig depth of 59 inches. You know, when you think about it, that'll get you in and out of most of the areas you need to go. Simple hookup, drop in the auxiliaries and spin the handle. Simple attachment to the plate. We're running 1 hydraulic cylinder to control the bucket. 3 teeth. It's a fast digging unit. 2-button control. At idle, this is a nice fast response. Good dump height. You know, it's one of those things, you could dig it by hand, you could go rent a backhoe. Hey, if you've got the Avant loader, just come get one of these Avant 150 mini diggers and set it on your job trailer. You'll be using it all the time. Tri-State Bobcat, Burnsville, Minnesota, Little Canada, Minnesota, and Hudson, Wisconsin. We service, we sell, and we maintain these Avant loaders. You'll find full parts service as well. They're great units, built in Finland and brought to you by Tri-State Bobcat. Thank you.